Welcome, my bird companions. Today we will take over this world. I'll fight you, bird. I'm not afraid to fight you. You wanna go? I'll fight you. What you guys eating? That's nasty. Why do you want to eat a moldy? You know what, I'm not going to show that. No. While in summer, why are you eating this stuff? But answer me, god dang it. Mr. T, eh? Now this asshole right here will get really mad at you. So this is the back of his comb, how it's all black. That means he's ready to fight, and I'm not afraid to fight you. Not even. Isn't that right, CB? Don't you dare walk away from it. Petra? Petra. Baby, come back. Petra. Oh. I just turned my back from him, and when I looked back, he just went back around. He's looking at me. He's staring me down. Petra. I'll freaking fight you, bird. I'll freaking fight you. Oh, there was a little piece of lettuce that just got blown over here. Petra, you just gotta answer my simple question. You can eat. I'll fight you, bird. I'm not afraid to fight. Trust me, he has charged me more than once. Isn't that right, Mr. T? You are an eyewitness now. I'm keeping my eye on him. I'm not gonna let this little frackin' guy sneak up on me. This guy. Chickens, why you eat all my food? I wanna eat. Oh wait, that's really moldy. Oh, Shaggy, are you gonna burn all this stuff? Huh? This is our burn pit. You can't just do that, Shaggy. You can't just do that. You have to burn everything. Is it alright, Mr. T? Wanna go, Shaggy? I'm not afraid to. I'll fight you, bird. Yeah, you. Bird. Yeah, read my message. It says derp. Oh god, shouldn't have done that. Oh god, he's just staring me down now. Oh my god, that's terrifying. The back of his comb is turning white and oh god, he's ready to fight. I am actually a bit terrified, don't I lied at the beginning. I'll fight you. Okay, bird, I feel like we have a real connection and all that great stuff. You just gotta face me when I'm talking to you. Really, bird? Why you do this, bird? Bird, why you do this? I caught that on camera. Luma, Mr. T, whatever the heck that Soki's name is. Yes, I have a variety of chickens. I'll fight you, bird.